Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a quick question. Right now, as you're watching this video, do you feel like you're moving? Probably not, right? You feel totally still. Your phone or laptop is perfectly steady, your coffee isn't spilling, and everything seems completely quiet. But here's the mind-blowing truth. You are currently hurtling through space at absolutely insane speeds. As we speak, the Earth is spinning on its axis at about 1,600 kilometers per hour. Not only that, but we are also flying around the sun at a staggering 107,000 kilometers per hour. And yet, we feel absolutely nothing. Why is that? Why don't we feel like we're on a permanent, dizzying roller coaster ride? Today, we're going to break down this cosmic mystery in a way that actually makes sense. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll look at the room around you in a whole different way. Let's dive in. To understand why we don't feel the Earth moving, we need to talk about airplanes. Imagine you're on a long flight. The plane has reached its cruising altitude, say, around 10,000 meters, and it's flying at a smooth, constant speed of about 900 kilometers per hour. If you close your eyes or pull down the window shades, does it feel like you're moving at 900 kilometers per hour? Nope. You can unbuckle your seatbelt, walk down the aisle, pour a glass of water, and drink it without spilling a single drop. Everything feels just like it does in your living room. Why? Because the speed is constant. Key concept. In physics, you don't feel speed. You only feel changes in speed. Think about what happens when that same plane takes off or lands. When the pilot hits the gas on the runway, you get pushed back into your seat. When the plane brakes upon landing, you lurch forward. You feel those moments because the speed is changing. That's acceleration and deceleration. But once the plane is moving at one steady speed in a straight line, your body can't detect the motion at all. Now, let's bring it back to Earth. Our beautiful planet is like the ultimate luxury cruise ship or the smoothest airplane ever built. Earth spins at a constant speed, and it doesn't slam on the brakes, hit speed bumps, or make sudden, sharp turns. If the Earth suddenly slowed down or stopped, even for a microsecond, we would definitely feel it. In fact, it would be a total disaster. Everything not bolted down would fly forward at hundreds of miles per hour. But thankfully, that doesn't happen. The Earth has been spinning at this steady pace for billions of years, powered by the momentum left over from when the solar system was formed. Because there is no friction in the vacuum of space to slow it down, it just keeps coasting smoothly. Okay, you might say, I get the constant speed thing. But if a convertible car drives at a constant speed, my hair still blows wildly in the wind. Why don't we feel a massive 1,600 kilometers per hour wind hitting our faces right now? That is a fantastic question. And the answer comes down to two things: gravity and our atmosphere. When you drive a convertible, you're moving through the air. But on Earth, the air isn't standing still while the planet spins beneath it. Because of Earth's gravity, everything on the surface is locked in place. Gravity holds down the oceans, the mountains, the buildings, you, me, and the entire atmosphere. The blanket of air surrounding Earth is actually spinning with the planet at the exact same speed. We are inside a giant protective bubble. Since the air is moving at the same speed as you are, there is no relative wind caused by the Earth's rotation. It's just like the air inside that airplane we talked about. There's one last piece to this puzzle: our senses. Human beings don't have a built-in speedometer. We judge motion relative to our surroundings. If you're sitting in a train and look out the window at another train next to you, and one of them starts moving smoothly, for a second you might not know which train is actually moving. You need a fixed point of reference, like the station platform, to be sure. On Earth, we don't have a fixed point of reference nearby. Everything around us, the trees, the houses, the clouds, is moving with us. The only way we can actually see the Earth moving is by looking at the sky. When you see the sun rise in the morning and set in the evening, or when you watch a time lapse of the stars rotating in the night sky, you aren't actually seeing the stars move. You are witnessing the Earth spinning. We are looking out the window of our cosmic spaceship. So, To wrap it all up, you don't feel the Earth moving because its speed is perfectly constant. Gravity holds you and the atmosphere tightly together, and everything around you is moving at the exact same pace. It's pretty wild to think about, isn't it? Even when you feel like you're doing absolutely nothing, you're actually a cosmic traveler going thousands of miles per hour through the universe. If you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little existential wonder today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs a mind-blowing fact. Let me know in the comments. Does thinking about this make you dizzy or just super amazed? Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.